Are you looking for a carpet installation team that actually does what they say? Well, look no further. The carpet specialists at Triangle Carpet Specialists are here to help you out. As a locally owned and family operated company, Triangle Carpet Specialists has over 2 decades of flooring experience that they can bring to your project today. Specializing in carpet repair, carpet patching, and even carpet cleaning, our team has earned a reputation for their attention to detail and quality throughout the Raleigh, Durham, and Cary market. And keep in mind, we do not just install the flooring products we use, but we sell them as well. And since we are a large volume consumer of flooring products, we are able to offer the same product to you at low pricing with no hidden fees. We are confident that we can beat the fee of any local retail shop or contractor in the area selling the same quality material we do. We take great pride in our work, and we personally guarantee the final product will meet or exceed your expectations. So let our team of carpenters and flooring installers improve your lifestyle and increase the value of your home today. Call us at 919-906-2218 or simply fill out the form on our website to get your free flooring quote today.